ways that we can lose 10 years. We've already covered the 3D facelift, the vampire lift, the blood injections, right? And that groovy little 3-in-1 laser.
Yep.
Now we're going to do a non-invasive brow.
Yeah, so as we get older, what happens? Our brows get droopier and we start looking kind of grumpy. And so in the past, all we've had really is surgery.
Grumpy, aren't we?
There's lots of reasons to be grumpy nowadays.
Yeah.
Well, what this is actually, it's called Ulthera, and it's the only FDA-approved non-surgical brow lifting device.
Ulthera.
Ulthera, yep.
Ulthera. We'll have all this info on our website, incidentally, if you want to download this and take it to your dermatologist or your doctor. And this is Eva Marie. Eva Marie, you don't look like you have a grumpy brow at all.
No.
But it's bothering you a little bit, huh?
Well, I'm going to be 50 next year, so I thought I could take 10 years off somehow.
All right. But you're looking good for 50. Go. Okay, so you're going to let us know if this hurts or not, okay?
Have you lean back.
Take one for the team.
So this is not a laser, so we don't have to use any goggles or anything. But this actually
is not a laser.
No, this actually uses ultrasound. And the great thing is if we put it on our forehead, and you see here, you can actually see the layers of the forehead. This is the skin up here.
Oh, wow.
This is the fat, and this line here is her actual bone. And where these green lines are is where we're actually treating.
Now, what exactly is this doing? What's the ultrasound causing to happen?
Well, what the ultrasound's doing is it's actually affecting the deep skin and the fat, and it heats it up, tightening it up, creating a lift.
Wow.
Yeah, so the great thing about this, though, is we can actually see on the screen, I'm going to put it back on you here,
and it doesn't hurt.
Treating.
No.
And we can see actually where we're treating.
Does it feel really hot?
No, it feels cold, and it feels like it's tightening up.
Really?
People can get actually an immediate result with this.
No kidding.
Although typically it takes about 3 to 4 months to see your final result.
Takes 3 or 4 months, and then how long does that last?
It typically lasts at least a year. Some people find more.
Oh, wait, I don't want to get to the stuff on your hair.
And we have some before and after photos actually to show you, too.
Oh, let's see. You can take a look at these. Take a look at them.
You can see how her brow is definitely higher in the after picture. So it's a non-surgical lift. You can also do the rest of the face with it.
And again, there's that 1 year. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's that 1 year result. Whenever you're doing non-invasive, it's usually a year to 18 months.
If you get more than a year, you're really fortunate, typically with these types of non-invasive treatments.
3 treatments on the brow lift thing, how long does that last?
The brow lift itself?
I mean, how long does that cost?
The cost is anywhere from $1,500 to $2,500, and typically you actually do the whole face. It can lift the face as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, we're in that same ballpark of price.